The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts out 20 nautical miles. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles north of the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Nauset Light and the coastal waters east of Cape Cod. The National Weather